tonight's stream is to make a pointless box, useless machine, useless box, whatever you want to call it. As I said, all kind of known by many different things. So the useless machine is a box essentially whose entire purpose is to turn itself off when it's been turned on. Chat is hopefully going to help me make this just a little bit more ridiculous than it already is. Just as a concept, it is ridiculous. Right, we're going to start with a new part. Fantastic, very, very complex. We're going to draw a rectangle. I don't know how big my pointless box needs to be. Where's my ruler? It's my trusty ruler. This is how we know how big things are, because I have like no concept of size apparently. So I feel like 150 mil, like from there to there. 100, yeah, see, 150 mil, we're on the same train, aren't we? Like, yeah. That seems reasonable. And then 100 mil wide, maybe? 100 mil wide seems, that seems like a reasonably sized box to me. And then we're gonna extrude OBS. I'm gonna say 100. And we're going to see what that looks like. That actually looks really big. 80? 80. Or 800, not 800. That still seems really small. And this is again like my problem with CAD kicking in. That's 80. It's not very big. So that is the basis of our pointless box. So ideally, this is going to contain we're going to need like a little lever that comes out and turns the box off. It's going to need to be right. We'll get a little hamster. Yeah, hamster to operate. It will fit in that. Well, I have a hamster for scale. If we need a hamster, I can get a hamster for scale. He's not particularly small, but right. Okay. Question for chat time. We've got a box, the functionality's kind of coming on, we've got the bottom end of it, kind of like almost sorted. Do you feel that it's missing anything? I know I need to put a hole here, I need to put a hole on this face for the switch, so we can turn the switch on and then the box can turn the switch off. But other than that, it's looking like a pretty boring box. There will be some fillets added because I will not do anything without at least 42,000 fillets. But do we feel like it's missing anything? Does it need any design? Does it need anything added to it? Very, very plain, boring box right now. Everything is cooler with flames. I mean, like, is it? Everything is cooler with flames. Right, flames. Side, top, front, or side. Front power flames. God. Can you get any more 90s than this? Is this the kind of flames that we are talking about? We're going to use this as a reference and we're going to sketch some flame. Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this. I thought we were done with these flames. I thought we were done with this, you know. Okay, we can do this. Style spline the living daylights out of stuff. It's going to be like the worst flames ever. Just for the record, nothing is cooler with 90s style flames. Nothing. My computer is making a lot of noises right now. Oh God, this is a complete abuse of SolidWorks. Right, we're going to call that there, because that's probably as good as that's ever going to get. It is a masterpiece. I'm very proud. Well, I'm not proud of it, actually. That was a complete lie. I'm going to close the sketch. God. You know what I'm right? Yeah, chat can make decisions. Like, you may well be banned from decisions after this. Oh, God. We're going to go 2.5 mil out, and then we might see if we... Oh, Jesus. I need to make that one a bit better, I think. Can we just take a moment to... I don't even know what. Mourn? Cry? There we are. You have your flames. That's that is just right. So that's the front of the box. Do we have any suggestions for the top or the side? Flames. Flames are not cool, powertrain research lab. Like this. This is not cool. This is not okay. Everything gets filled just to make it nice, you know. Go on. It just makes it look a lot nicer. Okay, so we've got some fillets going on there. The actual box itself is looking pretty good. Except for that, I think I need to add. I need to work on the mechanism. Like mechanisms, like flames. Yes, the flames. I'm still not over the flames. Like it's not okay. Tonight we need to make the mechanism basically that more flames, not more flames. We don't need more flames. We've reached our quota of flames. Unfortunately, I went to the shop earlier and I had a look, and they are fresh out of flames. So that's like our toggle switch. Paint is a professional tool, obviously. Look at the professionalism here. Oh, there's lightning. Can we just put some lightning on it? Can we do some blue lightning? Okay, cool. Oh no, think about the lightning. I felt like that needed to be there for design purposes, obviously. Not as cool as flames. It is as cool as flames. Where are we putting these flames? Are they coming up the side here? Are they... Where are the flames gonna go? Still clear. Everything is good. Everything is awesome. Oh, that's brilliant. More Dave, it was the right. I did a thing on my PC. I did like an error report on my PC, and it blames this entirely. This is the reason that my PC crashed. It was because of the flames. It was definitely because of the flames. We're going to style spline it because we've got to have a cool scoop. We're going to trim that and get rid of that and that and that and that and that. Why not? Let's just trim it all. Okay, so this is going to be your super cool scoop. Put flames on the side. Why the flames? Right, does that look scoopy enough for you? Obviously we're going to kind of like get rid of this bit and this bit so it can act as an appropriate scoop. Oh god, that looks dreadful. Like, we can't do that. Why the flames? Make the gas house flame shape. Dave, I'm not a miracle worker. I'm not a miracle worker. You're lucky you got flames on any of it. That's your scoop. And then we're going to fillet it, obviously. Look at all the aerodynamics. Like, oof. Okay, so that is our scoop, which I've made just for you guys because you demanded it, and there it is. Right, put that there. Okay guys, whoa, oh god, it's making me feel uncomfortable. Look at it, look. It's making, oh blue, yeah. Oh, that is making me feel very uncomfortable. Okay, so you have your one wish. There you go. You have, god damn it, chap. You have your one wish. Your wonky scoop. There we are. We've gained 20 horsepower on something that I might add is not going to go anywhere. This is going to sit on a desk. It's not going to do anything. Dave wants canards. Why? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on one side. And how many did we say on this side? 4. Okay. Okay, 4 on this side it is. We can totally cope with this. There you go. Are we happy? Oh god. This is absolutely dreadful. Oh no, oh no, no, I don't like it. I don't like it. Make it stop. And there it is in situ. That is your monstrosity. I'm gonna get banned from Twitch for this. This is obscene. Oh dear, no, this is going to win us a Nobel Prize for what? I'm not entirely sure. We're doing a spoiler. Oh no, look at the pot box. No. The stream hasn't frozen. I'm just trying really hard not to cry. Well, you couldn't take that through a car wash, could you? Spoiler 2 on top of spoiler 1. We're gonna have one cat. Oh no! No! Please, no. Please, I'm begging. By being shouted at by toddlers who don't really know what they want and they're just like, I want this.
Well, do you want canards on this one as well?
We are aware this is a box, yeah? We are aware this is for a box that will live on my desk. Okay, we want sausage shape. -5 drag now, +14 down. Is somebody keeping track of this? Because like, I mean, it'd be nice to have some kind of like report at the end of this to show exactly what effect all these massive modifications we've made to this box are going to have on its functionality while it's sat on my desk in terms of reduced drag and downforce. Can't be an air brake, it's -5. There we are. We've got a little fillet on the edge as well, just to help the fluid flow past it a little better. Like I did 4 years in university. And this is what I'm doing. And then we're going to go back to our assembly, rebuild this, and just be in awe of our massive spoiler with what I would consider to be rather large air brakes, but I'm told they reduce drag and increase aerodynamics. Okay, I've never designed side skirts for a car before, so this is going to be very, very new. There we are. They made me do it. I didn't decide to do this. This was not my choice. Just for the record. I'm having some issues. Oh, it's got side skirts as well now, by the way. It has like Jap style side skirts, so we can get and recesses for the neons. Oh dear. We want more cards. Okay. Which, oh god, I can't even believe I'm asking this. What direction would you like them? Would you like them curving down, or would you like them curving up? Curving up and down. Hang on 2 seconds. Let's just exit sketch a sec. Sketch. We just need to see that we have. Okay, we have a sub going out here. 2 inches. What's that? 25 mil. So we can have like one there, say. And then we'll mirror. Oh shit, it's 50 mil. We might not have room. We literally might not have room, Spooky. Barely have room for Tom's the Tank Engine. We will look at Tom's the Tank Engine at a later date. And delete that exit sketch. That's a null and void sketch. Right, okay, so normal to sketch, and we're having the canards going touch down, so like that. These big canards, small canards, like where were we at with these? Right, we'll do that, and then we'll do one going up as well, just to match it. Because in the centre. To do that, and that is going to be 50 mil. Oh my god, why does that actually look better? We're not chopping the flames off. We're just gently tickling the edge of them. Just so we can fit a sub in there. Mounting depth is 2.32 inches. And cutout diameter is 1.95. Okay, hang on. Okay, 1.95. So if we just leave that there a sec. So I'm just trying to look at the feasibility of this. Right, okay, we're good then. Right, what will we do? I got totally distracted. Yeah, we were doing the canards, weren't we? Yeah, edit sketch. Right, how many of these do we need, and how many up which way, and what orientation, and because I need vents too. I need vents down here somewhere, because vents. 3 pairs. Oh Jesus. Okay, can we have them like quite close? So the air will just go boop boop. Yeah, it is peak aero. Peak. All the aero. We'll do... Are we just doing them in line with one another? I should have patterned these really, shouldn't I? End plate them as well, for God's sake. Maximum rigidity. So we're going to extrude them out up to surface. And go up to that surface. Okay. Please send help. If anybody's like kind of come into this stream and like pops in, please, please, please just help. Right, God, have we really got to do more flames? There we are. Okay, that's the flames. And then we need to extrude this, 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 this. And we need to extrude them by like 3 mil maybe for our end plates. And sketch there, and then we're just going to select that and we're going to convert entities because I'm not drawing more flames. You can have the same flames over here, god damn you. Right, scoop on a scoop. We're asking for a scoop on a scoop. Let's go for it. Let's go. God, it's wonky as well, isn't it? Oh dear lord. Right, so we need a scoop on the scoop. There we are. That is your scoop on a scoop. Oh, we need exhausts. I need, I'm gonna have to do like a million different planes, all slightly offset at different angles. Oh dear. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, that's disgusting. That is absolutely disgusting. Apparently we're going on the side. I don't think it makes a difference at this point, to be honest, because like we're doing some sick exhausts and they're all going to be wonky. Oh my god, look at those exhausts though! It's a box, why does it need exhausts? There's gonna be a servo going in there, not like a big old diesel. Oh my god. Got that many exhausts, I'm gonna have to pay a ULEZ charge. Oh. That's gross. It's actually like a really nice curve, to be fair. Like, I mean, if you look at that, it is quite a satisfying shape. But still. Right, last exhaust. Oh no, that's dreadful. That's gross. It's not looking great. So we've got space for our sub in the front there, because obviously pointless box needs music. We've got so much downforce on this thing. Here, 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 here. So we've got double downforce up there, here. We have 8 exhausts, because obviously you need exhausts for, that don't even go all the way through, I might add, for the servo motor that's going to live inside and operate this little mechanism. Yeah, let's just put that right there. This little mechanism here. So because of that little servo motor, Chat have decided we need 8 exhausts. Chat have also decided we need so much downforce that this is going to generate enough downforce to push itself through the desk. And flames, obviously. Because apparently you can never have too many flames. Right. Bar 4, a B12. We need to put a V12 in there somehow, apparently. We've done, like I said, I've honoured the 8 exhausts. I have honoured the bonnet vent scoops. I've honoured the scoop on the scoop. I have honoured the spoiler on a spoiler. I've honoured a vent. I've honoured like skirts so you can put your underglow in. Yeah, I've honoured it all. I've given you what you wanted. Bar for a badge on the back. We need an AMG badge. Yeah, I need to get an AMG badge, and then we can kind of like sketch it. I think AMG. No, that is gross. That is it. This is enough to make me quit CAD. Like genuinely, like this is already like sacrilege on so many levels. Right, okay, end sport then. That's bang on. That's an M Sport patch, easy. That is just disgusting. Some stripes, some go faster stripes. That I can do. A nice solid horizontal. Red does make it faster, John. I agree with you. Right, we're going to go right in. Look at that, that is beautiful. Those stripes are gorgeous. They're lovely. And like, look how aerodynamic they're going to be as well with the taper. These kind of strips are a different way. No, John, no, you've let them influence you. You've let them influence you, John. So what we're saying is, we're on the same side as well. So we would take this, and we'd copy this, and we'd put this, say, down here. But we would then take this and move it up a little bit. John, you've let them corrupt you. That makes me feel uncomfortable. Right, so you now have not only everything else, you should be proud. It's a modern art masterpiece. I mean, like, say it in the abstract, none of this is okay. Right guys, I think I'm going to call it there. I think this is what concludes our pointless box. Obviously we've got ventilation, because you need ventilation for all of, I'm just going to just collectively circle all of it, downforce. My favourite part about this is the fact that scoop, the first scoop, the little scoop on the top obviously goes through. That is a straight cut through. This scoop, however, goes nowhere. There is no functionality. Even if it did go through though, like there's no functionality because like there's a servo in there and it's stationary and it's not going anywhere, so it's not scooping anything. This thing has caused me so much pain and suffering and pain and suffering and just generally some more pain and suffering. We have serious skills, we have serious grown-up skills, and we choose to use them like this. If you want to come along for the journey and see what other stupid stuff people make me make, or be party to making me make the stupid stuff, I suppose now's a good time to jump on board.